मेरा 10th ग्रेड का बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम्स 2023 में था एंड आई रिमेंबर वेरी स्पेसिफिकली कि एक कोई तो पेपर लिख रहा था, मैं मराठी पेपर लिख रहा था एंड वो 3 घंटे का पेपर था एंड अराउंड 1.5 आवर्स हुआ था एंड आई वॉज जस्ट टायर्ड ब्रो, आई वॉज मेंटली रिटार्डेड एट दैट टाइम, आई वॉज लाइक सुपर ब्रेन फॉग के साथ लिख रहा था एंड यू वोंट इवन बिलीव इट, मैं पेपर लिखते वक्त प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट कर रहा था. कैन यू इमेजिन दैट? इमेजिन इन योर बोर्ड एग्जाम्स, in my board exams I was procrastinating from writing the paper. That was the level of procrastination I was suffering through at that time. And the reason why you procrastinate, okay, it's a very complicated statement, so just pay attention. The reason why you procrastinate is because the work that you give yourself exceeds the capacity of the person you see yourself to be. Okay, जो तुम काम खुद को दे रहे हो, इट एक्सीड्स द कैपेसिटी दैट यू एज अ पर्सन परसीव योर सेल्फ टू बी. तो तुम खुद को कैसे देखते हो, वो पर्सन के लिए वो कैपेसिटी में है ही नहीं, तो तुम कभी करोगे नहीं. सो इफ आई टोल्ड यू राइट नाउ, मेक अ $1 billion पर मंथ ऐप, you will not work on it. Why? Why do you think that is? Just think, why will I not work on that? It is because it's outside of your capacity. It's not in your capacity right now. So that's the same point I want you to emphasize on, is because if you don't give yourself the right task to do, you will never do it. There is a very fine line between difficulty as well. If the task is too easy, you will be bored. If it's too difficult, you won't do it. So essentially, we are ऐसे क्वेश्चन के साथ हम लोग लेफ्ट है कि क्या काम कर सकते हो जो प्रॉपरली मेरे को चैलेंज करेगा. And here we get into the tips as to like how to actually stop procrastinating. First things first, you must remove any ambiguity. Ambiguity मतलब confusion. ठीक है, तुम्हें इंग्लिश वर्ड्स भी मिल जाएंगे थोड़ा वीडियोस देखते हुए मेरे. Ambiguity means confusion. So you must remove ambiguity from your life. What do I mean by that is, do not let your brain think. That sounds weird, but genuinely that's how you stop procrastinating. You must stop letting your brain from thinking. Now what do I mean by thinking? Ki, let's just say, when has this happened to you that you wake up and you instantly do a task? Usually it won't happen. Usually you will be sitting, okay, आज क्या काम करूँ? That's the problem. Because अगर तुम खुद को एक choice दे रहे हो कि what work do I do? You'll probably not do it and you'll just do some bullshit activity. But the moment you have like a set task कि भाई आज सुबह उठ के मुझे ये करना ही है, आज सुबह उठ के मुझे करना ही है, you are less likely to procrastinate because your brain loves ambiguity. तुम्हारा brain loves it. The fact is, if you can give yourself more time to think, or if you can give your brain just time to think, you will procrastinate because your brain loves it. Okay, so first things first, remove any ambiguity from your life. So अभी अगर तुम्हें कुछ काम करना है, before you even like wake up, before you even wake up, have a task list of the things that you're supposed to do. Just keep it ready on your desk. खुला रखो पेपर के साथ. So as soon as you are on your desk, that's the first thing you see. उसके बाद भी तुम procrastinate कर सकते हो, which I'll cover in point 2. But you're less likely to procrastinate after that because like you have a set task list. ठीक है? Just tell me how easy it would be if you just knew what breakfast to eat. अगर तुम खुद का ब्रेकफास्ट या कुछ बनाते हो, या तुम्हारी मम्मी तुम्हें पूछती है कि क्या बनाओ, एंड तुम सोचते हो कि भाई आज क्या खाओ, आज क्या खाओ. What happens? You'll be brain dead by that. The more decisions, see, you have a set number of decisions you can take per day. ठीक है, एक set number of decisions रहता है जो you can take per day. And if you just allocate that decisions to unimportant things, you will not take proper decisions. तो अगर तुम सुबह उठ के सोच रहे हो कि क्या ब्रेकफास्ट खाओ, you're allocating so much of your brain power and decisions to that thing, whereas you could spend that same decisions on something super important for you. That's the first thing I want you to understand. The second thing is that you must surround yourself with winners. ये एक प्रॉब्लम मेरे साथ हुआ था very very recently कि I was not working at all. मैं सेम चीज़ प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट कर रहा था. The reason being because मैं बाकी लोग से कंपेयर कर रहा था. I was like, okay, I'm 17, I'm building a business, but come on, who else is doing that in my life? Who else is even doing this at this age? Nobody. So I can chillax a little bit, you know, relax कर ले, थोड़ा chill मार लेते, तू बहुत आगे है. That's the problem. अगर तुम comfort खुद को दे रहे हो, then you're dead. तुम खत्म. So you just stop comparing yourself to people who are not at your level. That's the thing I want you to understand. ये quote तुमने सुना भी है, if you're the smartest in the room, you're in the wrong room, right? So usually मेरे साथ भी ऐसा ही होता है कि most people come to me for advice, and so I start to think very highly of myself कि हाँ भाई ego आ जाता है मेरे में कि हाँ भाई I'm so great, but in reality I'm literally not that great. There are people my age who are doing better than me. There are people younger than me who are doing better than me. So you first have to surround yourself with winners. Winners who will actually motivate you and make you feel like, oh shit, I need to work right now, bro. These types of people. So what I want you to do is you can do this little hack, that is to create an enemy of yourself. कि एक set of qualities दो तुम्हारे enemy को, which essentially represents who you're fighting against every single day, and put it up somewhere where you can see. So यहाँ पे I don't know if you guys can see that. यहाँ पे मेरा है. Wait, I'll just show it to you. If you just look over here, this is my enemy. You can literally see all of the quality. I've even drawn his physique, bro. Yeah. This is the shit that I've stuck on my wall. So every single morning, good. Every single morning I see this shit and I'm like, okay, I have to compete against this guy. And if you are somewhat competitive, you will do the work. But let's just say कि तुम्हें इसके साथ भी motivation नहीं आ रहा है, and you actually want to surround yourself with winners. Well, there is one method you can do that. That is to join my paid program. Okay, I'll just tell you why you should join it. You can decide to join if you want or not. Inside Catalyst Premium, you're essentially going to get an entire course on how to grow on YouTube, how to build a personal brand, how to monetize yourself, and every other course, how to make money, how to speak like me on camera, the best diets, everything to make you a good productive entrepreneur. And you have daily calls with me. So essentially the problem of surrounding yourself with idiots gets deleted because you're surrounded by winners. Like, you're surrounded by high quality people like me and other people inside the community, and we talk every single day, and we have group coaching calls and everything. Don't worry about that. You can check that out, first link in the description, if you want to join it. It'll definitely be worth your money. So this is essentially how you stop procrastinating. You first of all, let's just go over it again. You don't remove ambiguity from your life, and secondly, you just surround yourself with winners. If you like this video, scroll down and subscribe. Don't sacrifice the future self for the pleasure today. Peace.